Namaste, my name is Bharat Ranka. I live and work in the financial capital of India, Mumbai. I run an advertising agency and I also look into the investments of my family and their businesses. Well, I was looking at gaining certain educational experience which would help me create a culture of quality conscious companies that would be at par with the biggest companies in the world. And that is when I came across this course, which is the Family Business Management course, and I found it to be a perfect fit with the learnings that I was looking to explore in my life. After having joined the course, I've met people from diverse backgrounds, right from manufacturing to trading, and it has been a very fulfilling experience learning from the extremely knowledgeable and helpful faculty, interacting with my classmates and learning a lot along the way. I would highly recommend this course to every budding entrepreneur, a startup person or anyone who's facing any kind of difficulties with their business. You will get the ammunition to handle your business in a much better way, and hopefully I will create a company to reckon with built on quality. Thank you.